in the field of medicine, previously we did not know that the honey was obtained from the belly of the bee. The Qur'an says in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 69, from the belly of the bees, we give you a drink of varying colors in which there is healing for humankind. It was only 300 years before, approximately, we came to know that the honey was obtained from the belly of the bee. And now we have come to know that honey is rich in vitamin K as well as fructose. Recently, we have come to know that even the honey has got mild antiseptic properties. No wonder the Russian soldiers in World War II, they used the honey to cover up the wounds, which prevented the evaporation of moisture, and the healing in the wound was done with leaving of very little scar tissue. And due to the density of honey, germs and bacteria were prevented to grow in the wound. And if a patient is suffering from the allergy of a particular plant, if honey is obtained from that plant and given to that patient starts developing resistance to it. Imagine what science has come to know today. Recently, Quran mentions that in the honey there is healing for humankind.